How to analyze market sentiment on Forex.com to boost your trading accuracy. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. First of all, you need to access the sentiment tools. You can head over to the market analysis section and you need to look for the client sentiment data. The sentiment trader feature is an expert advisor tool and it is only available on MetaTrader charts. So you need to have the MetaTrader 4 account first. That sentiment trader displays a ratio of long and short orders for selected currency pairs. It also provides other general information such as the previous day's close and the current bid-ask spread. So the key for reading statement is that this indicator shows the ratio of long positions to short positions. And these are all based on the actual trades placed in a live market environment. So it is a direct read on a retail sentiment as derived from the data at the time. You can also combine it with the price action. Check if sentiment aligns with the chart. For example, if the trend is down but most traders are long, the market could continue lower. You also need to refer to the news and economic events. You need to follow the economic calendar and news section on Forex.com. In order to use the economic calendar, you can go to your account settings and select this economic calendar option. From here, with the use of filters and time zone, you can configure your economic calendar. And that's how we can easily analyze market sentiment on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.